This is what you're getting paid to do.
Where are we going?
That's the second floor. We went to the second floor.
Except we're not.
So as you can see, we are currently in the financial district, hence the financial costume. I'm giving an accounting seminar at Brooklyn College. We're going to go on a little adventure on the 203 train, and hopefully we don't get arrested.
That's the biggest fail of your life.
I tried to use pop culture references in the ads. For example, Secrets, Ain't Nobody Got Time for That. And that's Sweet Brown from the YouTube video. So that's something that people can instantly recognize.
Once again, Patrick South Ferry.
By having like a secret subway, even though it is a shared space and it's supposed to be public, there's no conversations happening. Because it's anonymous, there's this dialogue that you have with people within the subway. I think the primary role is to occupy that space, because right now the subway isn't being occupied by anything. There's nothing that's taking like control of that space or starting conversations or taking like possession of that. So I think by having my posters up there, it might lead to a conversation about Secrets, or it might lead to a conversation about Sweet Brown, or it might lead to a conversation about Charlie Sheen, or anything like that. The overlying thing is that we're creating this huge community, but at the same time it's small because it's anonymous and it's only with people on the subway.
So we're just gonna stand here like turds.
Yes.